Hi, how you going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas, and today I'm going to show you how to make caramelized cashew nuts. They're so delicious and easy to make, so let's go and I'll show you how. Now I've got the ingredients in front of me. So I've got raw cashews. I've got 2 cups of raw cashews. I'll put them in the saucepan. I have 1 cup of sugar and 1/3 of a cup of water. How simple is that? Okay, so now we're going to go over to the stove and I'm going to cook it, and I'll show you how. Now I'm going to stir it, and I'm going to make sure all my cashews are covered in the sugar and water syrup. And it's going to turn really quickly, so just be patient, but keep on stirring because it will be quick. Soon it's going to turn into a sandy texture, but you just have to make sure that you keep on stirring. And you've got to make sure that you use raw cashews for this. You could also use different flavours for your caramelised cashews and different nuts. You could use almond, pistachio, peanuts if you'd like. So as soon as it starts getting a sandy texture, you've got to make sure you keep on stirring, because you don't want to get any bit of the sandy texture stuck on anything, otherwise it could burn and then you'll be in lots of trouble. Okay, now it's going that sandy texture, and you just got to keep on mixing, and it will turn golden soon. So just keep on mixing. That it will change from sandy texture to a golden colour. Okay, keep going. You're nearly there. See, it's starting to melt. Within seconds it will change from white sandy to golden sand. Oh my God, delicious. Okay, I'm just going to turn the stove off. I'm going to pour a little bit of maple syrup on top and mix it in. And then I'm going to put it on my silicone mat and let them cool for 5 minutes. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling. It smells delicious.
I don't know what you're thinking.
Alrighty, now it's time to taste. They've been cooling for about 15 minutes, and like I said, you could have any flavour combination like cinnamon or even nutmeg, vanilla flavoured cashews, or any sort of nut you'd like. Okay, so now it's time to taste. I'm going to pick one up. These look nice and candied. Crunchy and delicious. So give this recipe a go. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Yum.